LineageOS has rolled out the 23.0 release built on Android 16. It is now available for over 100 devices. While Google has not made every component of Android 16 public, the LineageOS team didn't wait and launched what was already accessible. Because Google delayed releasing the Android 16 QPR1 source code, LineageOS could not merge those updates. That's why it's labeled 23.0 instead of the 23.1 as per Android authorities Michel Rahman. The team opted not to sit idle, deciding to provide users with the baseline Android 16 build was better than holding up until Google catches up. As for features, everything from Google's Android 16's original stable releases included such as predictive back gesture, enforced edge-to-edge display, better app adaptability, and support for advanced protection. On top of it, several built-in apps were revamped. The camera app Aperture supports ultra raw capture, redesigned notification island, and added indicators. The music app 12 got a shuffle mode and more information now playing screen, extended jellyfin integration, and other improvements. For that said, some of the features have been held up or partially implemented. That is the Material 3 expressive, for example, in the desktop mode have been limited presence here because they rely on components from QPR1. Security updates pose another hurdle. Google shift to risk-based security bulletin means only high-risk vulnerabilities are disclosed every month. The rest gets stuck into quarterly releases. Since many patches are not publicly released right away, LineageOS is forced to wait and then integrate them later. Pixel phones, which once got day one treatment, no longer enjoy privileged status. Google stopped publishing full device trees, HAL's configuration for Pixel, so now they have equal footing compared to all other models.